Hello everyone, I'm Mark Hackett, I'm the Chief Executive of the Health Board, and a warm welcome to you all. This is Volunteers Week, and what I want to say is a massive thank you to everybody who are volunteers within the Health Board for the huge contribution they make. This year, more than any other, we've seen a massive need for volunteering to help to support the huge sacrifices and efforts our permanent staff have made within the organisation to keep people well, safe and cared for. And the volunteers that have helped us have come in ever increasing numbers. So before COVID we had around 350 volunteers who worked for us, but we've had well over a further 150 volunteering at the time of most need for our Health Board services during the COVID period. For which I'm enormously grateful. So volunteering has a number of benefits for us, and it would be worthwhile just reflecting why people choose to volunteer. So sometimes they choose to volunteer because actually they've had busy lives outside the health service and have chosen to do so because they want to give back something to society, but also to use their time when they perhaps have retired from work meaningfully. Equally, we are seeing a rising number of younger people wanting to volunteer to gain experiences, insights into what the health service can offer, given that it offers hugely rewarding careers, and the great privilege is to look after and care for others and take that responsibility. So it's a very mixed bag. All volunteers are important, and the roles they perform are diverse and varied, but essential for us in terms of improving particularly our staff and patient experience. So I would like to say thank you very much to everybody, well done, and keep up the good work.